The construction of the Ryugyong Hotel commenced over 30 years ago. Yet, after just a few years, the project came to an abrupt halt, leaving it stranded in a state of incompleteness and forever unused. This towering structure stands as a potent symbol of the daunting challenges and colossal ambitions that characterize grandiose projects in North Korea. In a country where information is tightly controlled, North Korea's media environment casts a shadow over the truth. This makes obtaining reliable details about the nation's happenings, especially significant events like the recent crossing of a U.S. soldier into North Korean territory, a treacherous task, shrouding facts in uncertainty. Amidst this backdrop, the regime's relentless drive to project an image of prestige through monumental architecture in Pyongyang reveals a desperate desire to impress the outside world. Yet, this glossy facade starkly contrasts with the severe restrictions imposed on its own citizens, trapped in a web of limitations. As we delve deeper, the historical context of Korea's division becomes apparent, illuminating the starkly contrasting trajectories of South and North Korea since 1945. This division has not only shaped national identities but has also led to a tapestry of ongoing tensions and conflicts that continue to unfold between the two nations. The construction of the Ryugyong Hotel was intricately woven into North Korea's larger strategy to present a modern image to the world stage. This ambition was driven by substantial investments in infrastructure, particularly in anticipation of international events that never quite materialized. Visualize the unique architectural design of the Ryugyong Hotel, with its striking pyramid-like shape and colossal scale. It was crafted to symbolize North Korea's strength and ambitions, an architectural marvel intended to dwarf even the most iconic global structures, such as the Eiffel Tower. Initially, the hotel was envisioned to boast luxury amenities. Think of a bowling alley and rotating restaurants, showcasing North Korea's aspirations for modernization and grandeur. Yet, these dreams faded into the ether as the plans remained unrealized, leaving only echoes of what could have been. The construction journey began in 1987, but it quickly succumbed to unforeseen delays ignited by political upheavals, namely the collapse of the Soviet Union, which severed crucial support for the beleaguered North Korean economy. Thus, the Ryugyong Hotel stood as a monument not just of ambition, but of political tumult. As years rolled on, North Korea plunged into economic crises and devastating famine, while the hotel remained a ghostly specter of its former promise, symbolizing the heart-wrenching disparity between the regime's grand ambitions and the excruciating suffering of its people. Ultimately, the hotel's construction faced monumental delays, sealing its fate as a structure that would never open its doors due to escalating political tensions between North Korea and the West. What remains is an empty shell, haunting the skyline of Pyongyang like a silent witness to unfulfilled aspirations. Experts have raised alarms about the hotel's construction quality. The absence of a supporting steel structure casts doubts on its stability, especially in light of other similar buildings succumbing to collapse.
The question looms: how long can this architectural enigma endure?
In a curious twist, recent years have seen the hotel repurposed as a propaganda tool, illuminating its facade with LED displays that herald North Korean history and ideology. This strategic shift underscores a regime focused more on image than substance, spinning a narrative that often diverges from reality.